Welcome to COS 101, Introduction to Computing Sciences. This is week 1, where we will begin exploring the fundamental concepts of computing. In this course, we will cover the meaning of computing, computing science, and examine the importance of computing and examples of computing devices. We will look at various applications of computers across different sectors. Computing sciences is a foundational discipline that focuses on the use of computers and computational systems to process information and solve problems. In today's digital world, computing plays a vital role in nearly every sector of society, including education, business, healthcare, government, and communication. This course, COS 101, introduces students to the basic concepts of computing sciences. It is designed to provide students with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills required to understand and use computers effectively. Meaning of computing. Computing refers to the use of computers and related technologies to collect, process, store, and communicate information. It involves the interaction between hardware physical components, software programs and applications, and human users. Computing is the process of using computers to solve problems. It involves the interaction of hardware, software, and users. At its core, computing focuses on processing information to turn data into meaningful results that support decision-making and problem-solving. The primary goal of computing is to transform raw data into meaningful information that can be used for decision-making and problem-solving. What is computing sciences? Computing science is the academic field that studies how computers work and how they can be applied to solve real-world problems. It covers areas such as computer hardware and architecture, supporter systems and applications, data processing and information systems, computer networks, and the Internet. It is the study of computers and computational systems. It is concerned with how data is processed, stored, and communicated. This field combines both theoretical knowledge and practical application, helping us understand and effectively use computing technologies. Importance of computing in society. Computing has transformed modern society by increasing efficiency and accuracy in work process, improving communication through email, social media, and video conferencing, access to information through the Internet, supporting innovation in science, engineering, and technology. Computing. Many modern services would not function effectively. Computing improves efficiency and productivity in nearly every field. It enables seamless communication and sharing of information, supports decision-making, and drives innovation and technological development. Understanding computing is essential to thrive. In the modern world, examples of computing devices. Computing devices include desktop and laptop computers used in offices and schools, mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets, specialized devices such as ATMs, smartboards, and embedded systems. These devices differ in size and capability, but perform similar computing functions. Computing devices come in many forms. Desktop computers are common in offices and schools. Laptops provide mobility and flexibility. Tablets and smartphones allow access to information on the go. Additionally, smart devices, such as ATMs and smartboards, are specialized computing devices integrated into daily life. Applications of computing. Computing is applied in various fields. In education, computer is used for online learning platforms, digital libraries, computer-based exams. In business, computer is used for accounting systems, e-commerce, and inventory management. In healthcare, computer is used for electronic health records, diagnostic systems, telemedicine. In our daily life, we use computer for communication, entertainment, navigation, online services. Students are expected to understand fundamental computing concepts, identify different computing disciplines, and demonstrate basic computer and Internet usage skills. The course prepares students for further studies in computing-related fields. Computing sciences is an essential discipline in the modern world. This introductory course provides the foundation required to understand computers, their applications, and their role in society. Class exercise: list 5 ways you personally use computing devices in your daily life and discuss their impact. Thank you for listening. In our next module, we will explore the applications of computing across different domains. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a review.